Hello, hi, this is Suman. In this video, I'm going to explain regarding the login application using Android. So here we are given a task to create one login screen which has login button. So if you enter the correct credentials, it should navigate to the welcome screen. So otherwise, it should show the error message using toast message. And inside welcome screen, we need to give the logout button. So when we click that, it should come back to login screen again. So for that, we need to create a new Android application and select the latest SDK and also select the blank activity and make sure to add the internet permission. So coming to the code. So here we can see this activity main.xml is the default XML which gets executed. So here two edit boxes and button and one image view where the @drawable / Android. So this one is the image view. I have taken image from there and let me show the app. So I have already executed this. So here if we enter, the correct credentials, so it should log in to the welcome screen we can see here. And when we click the logout button, it comes back here. So when we don't enter details or if we enter any wrong details, so if you click on login, so it gives a toast message as well as it gives the details. Please enter correct username and password. So apart from this, I have even added the sign up page. If we click on the sign up, so it will get open and where we can enter the details and sign up. So coming to the code of this application, so let me come to the main activity Java. So here I'm validating the username and password by matching to that, and if it doesn't match, so I'm showing the toast message using this code. Otherwise, if it gets matched, then I'm opening the home page and redirecting to the home page using start activity. So when it comes here, we can see even down the sign up page, it navigate to the sign up activity. So when it comes to the home page, so here we can see over the login button as I have already shown. When we click on the logout, so it again comes to the main activity, the default page. So by uh, creating a new intent and start activity, and whereas the sign up page, we can see this one, and this all things should be make sure enter over here all activities. So there are three activities we need to mention in this Android manifest.xml. And apart from this, here we can see at the red string / app name. These all things I have defined in string.xml. Using the string / the app name, we can give the names whatever we want here using this name. So it gets the detail. And coming to the XMLs, so we can see the design of the inside welcome screen, this one, and whereas the activity main design, so this image view we can see here, I have taken from @drawable / Android, and we can see the event sign up page. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.